up, everybody? Will Koberg here, your luxury realtor in front of 6629 Canyon Oaks in West Plano, Texas. This is a gorgeous luxury home. Man, I can't even get over the doors. Solid wood, custom detail from the top all the way to the bottom. Ooh, I love this swim up bar. So you can be out in the pool hanging out and then just come on, tap on the glass. Hey, what can I get you out there? Would you like a cool beverage? Yes, I would. 5 bedrooms, 4.5 full baths. You got a craft room. You got the media room. Oh, let me show you this. Look at this media room, game room. So the media room, we got all the TV set up right there. You got this bar area for all your friends to hang out and watch all of the games. You will not find $1 million listing in West Plano that is this much fun. I didn't have to practice that.